Physics MCQs solved from the past paper of BS Nursing 2022. Question number 11. The Earth's magnetic field. And correct option is A. Varies in both magnitude and direction. Question number 12. Electromagnetic waves travel in vacuum with speeds that are equal to speed of light. Question number 13. The gravity at center of Earth is called zero. Question number 14. Newton's second law gives information of force. Question number 15. The shortest distance between 2 points is called displacement. Question number 16. The slope of distance time graph gives speed. Question number 17. Rate of doing work is called power. Question number 18. When a wave enters from a rare to denser medium, then which quantity will remain the same? Frequency. Question number 19. At the highest point during the upward motion of object, the value of kinetic energy of body is 0. Question number 20. First law of motion is also called law of inertia. Question number 21. Static friction is independent of applied force. Question number 22. The study of motion of body is called mechanics. Question number 23. The value of pressure decreases as height increases. Question number 24. Light has various unique properties, sometimes behaving like a wave and sometimes behaving like a particle. Name experiments that demonstrates light behaving like a wave. Young's double interface. Question number 25. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Speed. Question number 26. The electric potential is 0. And the correct option is midway between two equal charges of same sign. Question number 27. The unit coefficient of friction is no unit. Question number 28. A steel wire 12 mm in a diameter is fastened to a log and then pulled by a tractor. The length of steel wire between the log and the tractor is 11 meter. A force of 10,000 Newton is required to pull the log. What is the stress in the wire? And the correct option is 77.29 MPa. Question number 29. Electromagnetic waves travel in vacuum with speeds that are equal to speed of light. Question number 30. The value of pressure decreases as height increases. Same questions in. Question number 31. Which of the following pairs are both scalar quantities, speed and mass? Question number 32. If the object's mass and the net forces fields are both known, then Newton's second law could be used to directly calculate which quantity? Acceleration. Question number 33. An object moving through a fluid experiences a retarding force known as drag force. The drag force increases as the speed of increase the object. Question number 34. An object is placed 20 cm from diverging lanes. If the distance between the lens and the image is 8 cm, what is the magnification? B. 2/5. Question number 35. Light has various unique properties, sometimes behaving like a wave and sometimes behaving like a particle. Name the experiments that demonstrate light behaving like a wave. Young's double slit interface. Question number 36. If the object is placed 30 cm from a convex lens whose focal length is 15 cm, the size of image compared to the size of object will be approximately 1.5 times as large. Question number 37. Those waves in which the part of medium have displacement along the direction of propagations of waves are K as longitudinal waves. Question number 38. A pipe has a length of 1 meter. Determine the frequencies of the fundamental and first two harmonic oscillations. If the pipe is opened at both ends, speed of the sound in air is 340 meter per second. And the correct option is A. 170 Hz, 340 Hz, 510 Hz. Question number 39. A points where the displacement of two waves cancel each other's effect. The path difference is an odd integral multiple of half the wavelength. This effect is known as destructive interference. Question number 40. A steel wire 12 millimeter in diameter is fastened to a log and then pulled by a tractor. The length of steel wire between the log and the tractor is 11 meter. A force of 10,000 Newton is required to pull a log. What is the stress in the wire? And the correct option is C, 77.29 MPa.